ating finished product ng native rice cake. In Pangasinan, I'm INLUBI. Other terms, I'm in love. Ayan ang ating finished product. Yung rice cake. Second live na natin ito, ha. Ayan. Ito, bagong ano lang yan, bagong hawi sa kawali. Yan. Ay, mukhang masarap. Ano kayang lasa nito, ha? Tikman natin, guys. Kung anong lasa. So, let's eat. Let's try and eat this one. Pero parang malulubat na yata ako, promising. May phone soon lubat. Ayan. So, let's try to eat this. Guys. Ayan. Kain tayo. Let's eat. It's already done. Our product. Our rice cake. Ito yung rice cake natin. Ayan. Wow. There's a lot. Okay, let's try and eat this one. Come on and let's eat. Bakit parang ang pangit-pangit ng kinarurunan natin? Sensya na kasi yung kitchen namin hindi maganda. So, ayan, let's eat. Ito na yung kainin natin. Sample. It's good. Not so much sweet. It's just nice. Ito nga ako. Just nice, guys. So, let's eat again. Sarap. This is the very first time I've been trying to cook this kind of food. Where have you been, GB? Let's eat. Ano kinakain mo? INLUBI, native rice cake. Kasi ngayon ay UNDAS, so usong-uso ngayon ng mga kakanin. I'm from Philippines. Sarap. First time ever. My very first time to cook this native rice cake. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Harap. At share natin yung ating ganda ng pinggan mo. Ay, thank you. Pwede shout out po, Lizelle. Hello, Lizelle. Mega shout out. Taga saan ka, Lizelle? Ives, ganda ng pinggan mo. Ives, hello, Ives. Taga saan ka, Ives? Kaylee. Kaylee, are you my momsy? My mom? Your momsy? Yeah, I'm already mother. Shut up. Pwede. Manila ako. Ah, nasa Manila ka. Nasa province ako ng Pangasinan. Kumakain ako ng native cake. Native rice cake. I mean, yeah. Oh, share natin sa Facebook yung ating live. Ay, bakit nauna na akong kumain? Dapat ano ka nga muna? Mangigaton ka titanay, mag-alay ka muna. Dali, kuha ka ng
Hindi ba magtitirik ng kandila doon?
Nang tira na, di ba? Sweat? Nagsindi ka ng kandila? Hindi, ayun, magtindi mo na ng kandila.
Anong oras na?
Kanina pa dapat. Kanina ka pa sinasabi eh. Tanay?
Posporo.
Walang posporo. Kalimutan ko mag-aalay muna tayo doon sa gruto ay. At saka tubig. Nagtikim na ako. Ay, nako. Sorry, I'm in the kitchen. Sino friend mo? Sarap yun. Ang friend ko, marami akong friend. Yung mga kumari ko, ayan. So, ayan, mag-aalay muna tayo. Kahit konti lang. Wait a minute. Saan ito? Saywa. Hindi na ako nakapagluto ng iba pa kasi alam mo na. Wow, thank you. Please don't forget to like my YouTube channel. Nasaan ba yung mga platito? Sinubili kundi kurang Pagkaga Jense inariyuki makase Otoko nan ka Oshinika Toroon ko ni Narumay ni Ay, nako, malulubat na yung cellphone ko, promising. Andali lang ha, at dito ko lang po ilalagay. Kasi malulubat na siya. Nasa 19% na lang. So, yan guys. Yan, yung ating inlove. Hi, sure. Harshi, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to likes yung aking live. Thank you. Wait a minute ha, I'm going upstairs. I'm going to give this one for Thanksgiving. This is the Philippines traditional. First time ko kasing magluto ng ganito. Ayan, sa araw ng UNDAS. For the first time. Ayan, thank you for watching. Beautiful eyes. Ay, wow, thank you for the compliments. Ayan. So, I'm going to share my live. Nasaan na ba yun? Ayun. Hoy! Narinig guys sa live. Hi again. I just wanted to eat this one. Huh? Do you have Instagram? No, I don't have Instagram. I don't use Instagram, sorry. Mega shout out sa aking mga beautiful kumaris. Mars, kumakain na ako ng in love. I'm in love. Mega shout out. Nagbabubbles pa ako ah. Fresh? No fresh. Pop crush. Ganon. Glow. Hindi siya glow. Ganyan na lang. What's the special in membership special. Last time the very special is I play your, if you are first timer in YouTube, then I play all your videos. Yes. If you need help to have more watch time hours, then I'm going to help you too. Yeah, if you are first timer in YouTube, yeah, if you have long hour videos or live, then I'm gonna play it. So that is the special. This kind of food I called I'm in love. Very nice to eat. Masarap. Mas, masarap niluto ko, Mars. Okay. I'm also first time to cook this kind of food in Philippines. When will you be available for membership live? Anytime. If you wanted to be my members, you can do it even now. Shuris Turate. Yeah. So you are first time in YouTube? Oh my god. I cook a lot. Oh look. Ayan, naka-live kasi ako. So, thank you for watching. Hi, Mars. Nandyan ka ba, Mars? Ayan, finish problem. Ay, title. Kulang pa ng title. Very first time ko magluto. Is there a difference between normal live and membership live? It's the same. Nag nagluto ako ng inlube. Deraman. Nagluto ako ng inlube. Deraman. Ayan, deraman. Still the same. If you if you really wanted to be my members, then you can, even now you can do it. Then I'm going to go to your channel later. Nobody, step it up in here. Double tap your screen to like the stream. It's free to like and subscribe. Help me, help the algorithm. Nobody. Ay, nabusog na ako sa kinain ko. Ayan, ito na oh. Mars, ang dami kong inlube. Promising, I swear. Ay, nako. Oh, nakita na naman na Bruce. Tawagan ko nga itong dalawa ay. Mga Mars, hello! 3 million viewers. Thank you for watching. Are you singer? I'm not singer. No, I am not singer. Singer, toilet singer. Oy, Mars! Kakatapos ko lang, Mars. Magluto ng I'm in love.
Mamaya ka lang tumawag.
Naliligo ka?
Naliligo ako.
Ay, ganun ba? Kaya pala, tumatawag din sa'yo si Mars eh. Mamaya na.
Hindi tumawag. Hindi ka nga naliligo ako.
Ay, sige, mamaya na lang siya rin.
Sige, sige.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello again. And so sweet. Are you married? I'm not married. Your voice is beautiful. Oh, thank you, thank you. My voice is too thin. Is it? Right? I am not a singer. But I like to sing a song, but maybe the song is Don't Like Me. Very funny. I really like karaoke, but the karaoke don't like me because I don't have a beautiful voice. I am not a professional singer. Do you dance? I don't dance too. I just like to cook at home. And then singing, yeah. But I did Zumbangers. I don't dance because I'm not a dancer. But I like to cook. But this one is very first time. Yeah, it's really true. Zumba, yeah, just Zumba with friends. Sometimes the last time before pandemic time, I used to go Zumba. But now, I'm already busy of my work. So everyday busy. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. Please don't forget to like my live. Can you sing a song, please? Oh no, because maybe later if I will sing here, my live it will become copyrighted. Yeah, so I can't sing right now. But maybe I will sing what? Philippine song. So maybe song I sing alone. I feel like to sing a Philippine song. So, but I think it's not copyrighted. But other songs like English song or Filipino song, yeah, Tagalog songs. So later it will be muted. I need to mute because it was copyrighted. Can you do Zumba now? Oh no, I don't have costume right now. And there's no music for Zumba too. But thank you very much for watching me and for talking to me right now. Yeah. November 1 here is Philippines traditional to visit our loved ones in the cemetery. So this morning we have been to the cemetery to visit my grandmother, my grandfather, my father, my daughter. Yeah. Oh, it is required a special costume for Zumba. Oh yeah. I used to wear Zumba costume. Yeah. Last time, every time I will go Zumba in a group early morning. Yeah. But tonight is other places they celebrate the Halloween party. I wasn't aware of this. Oh, okay. You also go Zumba? You know how to dance? Zumba dance? But I'm very tired already. I want to rest. It's 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes here. So So, but thank you very much for watching 11 million viewers. Please don't forget to like my live, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bianca Queen Mix Vlogs. May I know your age? Oh, I'm very old already. How about you? How old are you? I am a bathroom singer and bathroom dancer. Oh yeah, same. But I don't sing and I don't dance in the bathroom. I sing and dance in the kitchen while cooking. Just like this. And if I'm eating and then I really like the food that I'm eating, then I dance like this. I eat while I'm eating. I do like this because I enjoy my food. I enjoy a lot. So that's why, that's all I can dance. That's all, that like this only. And then singing is just only in the kitchen. Yeah. I am, oh, okay, what's your date or birth? What is your date of birth? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's next year. So, from now, November, December, January, February, March, 4 months to go. Then, it was my birthday. March. But I feel so tired already, no? It's really true. So many food. Do you want? My age is, I'm already more than 50. I'm very old. Yeah, and how about you? Maybe you are very young. But I start to have a channel here in YouTube last pandemic time. It's 2020. So last 2020, my YouTube channel name is Bianca Queen 2020 Vlogs. Yeah. But then after that 2021, 2022, I changed my mind. So I changed Bianca Queen Mix Vlogs. You look around 30 years. Oh no, oh yeah. Everybody say that, not only you. Yeah, thank you very much. Sorry, because I have been to cemetery this morning. After I've been to the cemeteries, then I've been to my workplace. Yeah, after 4 p.m. then I'm back to house. Maybe it's already 5. Yeah, around 5:30. Then I try to cook this kind of food. Are you really 50 years? Oh yes, I'm 52 years old now. Next year, it's going to 53. Yes, I'm very old. Now guys, so thank you very much for watching me and to like my live. Thank you very much. So see you again tomorrow if ever I have time. Maybe tomorrow night. Yeah, tomorrow night maybe going to live again here or sing a song. I will try again to sing Pangasinan song or Japanese song. Yeah, a little bit Japanese I can sing. So thank you very much for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Bianca Queen Mix Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now, guys. I'm going to off. I'm very sleepy already. Thank you. See you again. God bless you. God bless us all. Bye.